Dive into elven tales and unearth the enigma of Chinese characters. With each captivating story, a hidden mystery of the characters will be unveiled before you. Trapped in a book of Chinese characters.
This is the tale of Isabella, a young girl trapped within an ancient book of hieroglyphics. To escape, she must unravel the enigma of the Chinese characters.
Blinded by a brilliant light, Isabella found herself in a garden. The symphony of garden shears at work, and the fragrance of freshly mown grass permeated the air. Guided by the rhythmic snips of the shears, Isabella ventured forward in hopes of encountering a local who could steer her towards the king of the Chinese character book. Traversing the verdant labyrinth, Isabella crossed paths with an elderly gardener muttering under his breath,
"Can't even enjoy a proper vacation. Leave the Chinese character garden to youngsters, and it's overrun by weeds.
What's your task?
Removing these pesky weeds from the Chinese characters.
What if you let them be?
Consequences you're oblivious to. Ah, you must be a character from another story here for a visit, aren't you?
Somewhat. I need to decode the Chinese character mysteries to return home.
An explorer, perhaps.
More like a wanderer who's lost.
I may not know the Chinese character secrets, but I'll attempt an explanation. Observe the green Chinese characters, veiled by grass. During my absence, neglect has taken root. Notice the grapheme atop each character, signifying grass.
Is grass harmful?
On its own, not really. Yet when it blankets Chinese characters, it distorts their essence. Chinese character volumes demand equilibrium. Else foreign characters can't reach us. Primarily, we're a travelogue. A book thrives through its readers.
A single grapheme can alter a Chinese character profoundly?
Let me illustrate. Observe this Chinese character marked by 2 dashes at its peak. That symbolizes grass. Beneath, notice the elegant Chinese character.
It does resemble a bird, doesn't it?
Exactly. Add grass to birds and it morphs into a weed, a parasite. Transforms the soaring bird into a mere plant.
What's the remedy then?
Allow me to demonstrate. I'll eradicate the weeds from the top.
The moment he snipped the weed, the character beneath animated and evolved into a bird, taking flight.
What's this?
A commonplace pairing. Grass above, earth below. This fusion forms a weed. It tarnishes our fertile pages.
The gardener elucidated, snipping the weed once more. The greenery disintegrated, leaving behind a handful of soil beneath the nearby apple tree.
Fascinating. Can I assist?
Feel free. Use these gardening shears. Exercise caution. Certain characters pose risks. Consult before snipping.
Understood. Can this grass be removed?
Negative. Below grass lies the Chinese character fires. Shearing it leads to a garden ablaze.
What about this?
Refrain. Beneath grasses, insects, a prior mishap had them swarm, nearly devouring the book.
Which can I cut then?
This is harmless. 9 paired with grass.
The gardener explained, indicating a plant. Isabella acknowledged, approaching the plant with shears poised.
Halt, not that.
The old man's shout was futile as Isabella snipped the weed off. As the grass fell, the character transformed, conjuring a colossal Chinese dragon. The gardener took Isabella's hand, sheltering her beneath the apple tree.
I'm the fool, entrusting such responsibility to a child.
My apologies. I'm ashamed.
No worries. My lapse, beware. Chinese characters deceive. Simplicity combines to birth complexity.
Understood.
Off to the cover square with haste. Prior to Dragon Catcher's arrival, lest they whisk you to the book's prison. I'll shoulder the blame. I'm immune.
Thank you, grandfather.
Isabella expressed gratitude, hastening in the direction the gardener indicated.
草
草
草
草
草
草
草
Be the hero of the Secret Elf Chronicles. If you are among the first 1,000 subscribers to the Exclusive Stories channel, you'll have a chance to win a unique prize. The elf will write a story exclusively for you or your loved ones.